Hi everybody, hi everyone, and welcome to the Entrepreneurial Line World. I am Arvind, your host here at Entrepreneurial Line. Now we will talk about how to scale your freelance business. There are the millions of the peoples who freelance every day, but they are not getting more clients and not many customers. So that's why they depressed and more frustrated about that to how to I can scale my business in freelancing businesses. So always you want to freelance your business. A lot of the big and huge business at a freelance, so the here entrepreneurial lines can help you to grow your freelance business, and there are the numerous way to doing freelance, whether you are full time or part time freelancing. Most of the people they do part time freelancing, some of them they do full time freelancing, and they want to earn such as companies paid employees as much as salary by doing only freelancing. If you want to be able to control the freedom and flexibility of your business and earn six or more figure a year, then you must think about scaling your freelancing business. And here we are at entrepreneur line to help you there to scale your freelancing business. In this episode we will talk about that raising the bar, and about how you can scale your how you can scale your freelancing business. First of all, I will talk about what you don't do for scaling your business in freelancing, and it's in term of the how you actually scale here, how you definitely don't do, because if you do this, these are there under no way to. First of thing, do not work 100 hour a week, because scaling your business doesn't mean you need to work overtime or lose sleep and achieve your goals to see result. In fact, I will say if you just end up working until you are sleep depressed, you are going to doing the opposite and you could see a negative impact. So be at entrepreneur line suggests you that you do not work more than 100 hour a week. Okay, do not hire a lots of people, because if you hire a lots of people, then you may think you need extra hand on deck. But when you're trying to scale your business in beginning freelancing, don't just hire employees for the sake of firing. And instead it's important to know that what is the best and most successful freelance businesses have three things: a great network, a strong product, and a strong process. Below we will go about the how to scale your business effectively. Now we talk about the how you can scale your freelancing business efficiently. So first of the thing, that build your network. And I have at you can find entrepreneur line a book is known as scale your business in network marketing. First of all, build your network. Now what is the build your network? Make sure you have a core the complementary people in your network, and around the 15 to 50 freelancer, and core meaning that you don't same things you do, perhaps at the cheaper rate, and the possibly junior level, and complementary someone who had the product and has a advanced skill set. So you need to having the build your network. You should hire more, you should have a network of more than 15 to 50 freelancing people, so that's if you have a project you can complete within a time and before a time to doing all the process and all the project completed. Second one is a quantity. Quantify your product. What is the mean of determine what you do, and you quantify the product, and when the benefit or value added to your product, much more clients are going to come out for your freelancing business and for you. The cost and how long it will be take the progress, and then create your low, medium and high feelings. You should always prepared to offer something a potential client. Okay, create a standard proposal document. Now most of the freelancer doesn't have work because of they don't create standard proposal document. If you present a standard proposal document whenever you gain a new client, instead of them you will forward over proposal, and next day you should always have a one handy. What you should do, edit about 20% of proposal and email written the same moment. Now what is the bottom line of that? Providing freelancing consulting by the entrepreneur line, that how do you best freelancer gain control of their career, scale their business? As mentioned above, we are the strong network of the freelancers. So first of all, if you want to scale your business, please don't do the things that do not work more than 100 hours each and day. And second thing, that don't hire more than a lots of people. And third of the thing that focus on that third of the thing that you should do, and which is the basically that do not hire lots of people. And now scaling a business, first of all then is make your lots of network. If you have a more network, you can get minimum you should have a network of the 15 to 50 I- 15 freelancing team, and that will help you. And second one is you quantify your product and create a strong proposal document. If you have any problem related to scaling your freelancing business, you can contact Entrepreneurial Line 24/7. We are available, so you can contact us. We will consult and we will help you there.